Hello, Mark. I would like to wish you the best for this year. And as you said over the phone with my staff, my name is Nasos Georgalis, and we are working with kitchen remodeling companies all over the country. And I was doing some research in your area when I came across your listing in Angie's List, and then I checked your website. I figured I'd give you this quick little video to give you 3 tips on how you can beat out your competition online. And I'll show you some of the things I can see that's working well for you and also what's working well for your competition. I don't want to waste any more of your time or mine, so if by the end of this video you like what you hear and you'd like to know more about how I can help you grow your business and help you bring on new customers, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Take the tips that I've given you today and use them for your company and see how they work out for you. Only thing I'm asking from you is to please give me some feedback on this video once you're done. So drop me an email with any comments you have. So let's get started. The 3 different topics that I'm going to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. And starting with the content, we mean anything that's on your front page, including the pictures. The pictures are saved with a name, so that is also considered to be content that is readable by the search engines. So see how your pictures unfortunately are not saved with a name here. That could be a content that we said, and it could also give you the opportunity to rank for some keywords. So this is something you have to take into consideration, as well as content in our front page should be typically around 1,500 to 2,000 words. And although this might sound a bit wordy, it is what your front page should have in terms of word count to allow you to work in some keywords or key phrases that people are going to be using to search your business or search for someone that offers your service. So if we go here and we do a search, we can only see that your website only has 176 words on the front page. So that's the first tip that I want to give you, which is that you have to make sure that you need to have more relevant keyword rich content that's unique on your front page, so that the search engines can help rank your company as high as possible. Unfortunately, content is something that web designers overlook. But as I said earlier, a website needs nice and unique content that includes keywords to rank higher. You can also ask your website developer to install you the accessibility widget for people with disabilities that all websites should have at some point. And the second thing that I want to go over with you is citations. And if we go here and we do a search in Google about kitchen remodeling Hendersonville NC, and we go to the map section underneath, we can see those 3 businesses. And if we click here, we can see more map results. You are, from what I saw earlier, you are on page number 2. In order for you to get in the first 3 a map rank, you need this has to do a lot with citations, and naturally you will ask yourself what citations are and how do I get them, right? Well, a citation is essentially your business name, address, and phone number listed into different directories all throughout the internet. If we take a look at the special tool we have here at the agency, we can see how many citations you have. And you only have 7 citations as opposed to 19, 20, 22 of other guys that are in the area and they are ranking higher than you. So that would be tip number 2. And with citations, in order for you to beat out your competition, you just need to go out there and find all the different directories that your competition is listed in, like we have here. And then you want to try to get in those same directories and then add a little bit more. And so that is kind of what matters the most as how to rank your company here in the maps. And now the third thing that I want to go over with you is backlinks. And backlinks have to do with the organic section found underneath the maps over here. And basically what a backlink is just a website that is sending a link back to your page. And so that would be, for example, a local blogger that did a story on you, and then he linked the story back to your website to give his readers an opportunity to go check out your business online and to possibly book services with you. So using a tool that I have called Ahrefs, we get a good idea of what's working well for you and what's not. And if we go in here, we can see the different websites that are currently linking to your website. So basically, in order to beat out your competition, you want to make sure that you're getting in as many places as your competition is in, and then get into some places they are not, so that you are completely overtaking them. Just like the citations with the backlinks, you want to make sure that you are in more places. But that's the backlink you have, or you only have 3 backlinks, only give you 5 keywords that we can see that is New Point Live, New Point Builders Hendersonville, New Point Live, Point Cabinets Hendersonville NC. You can see the position where you are ranking for these keywords. So for these 5 keywords, those 5 keywords are bringing you approximately 0 people on average to your website each month. If we take a look at some of your competition, like the guy who was first on the organic section over here, we see that it's this company, Kitchen Solvers. They're actually from Asheville. So if we go and see Ahrefs for this guy, we see that he's got 8 referring domains, giving him over 55 backlinks, and he's getting found for 76 keywords as a result. And this is bringing him 15 people on average to his website every month. If we go in here, in his keywords, and see which keywords that are relevant to you and which one you would like to go after, it looks like this guy is ranking kitchen remodeling Asheville, kitchen remodel Asheville, number 1, kitchen remodel Asheville, kitchen remodel Asheville. So all these, he's ranking for number 1 place. So what that means is that for volume, like there is a volume of 20 searches per month for this keyword in America. He's in the first position. He gets 0.11% of the traffic from that 20. So by adding that, all the searches he's ranking for, that's how we can tell what his traffic is. So all these keywords he has. So we basically, when we do research, we go and we see the biggest competitors, and we go and see what keywords are interest of us, and we go after them. And as I said, you just gotta get in more places than your competition to truly beat them out online. So that's all I got for you today. Hopefully this information has been valuable for you. Like I said, if you'd like to know more about how I can help you grow your business and bring you some more new customers, reach out to me and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Enjoy the free tips that I've given you, and just if you wouldn't mind giving me some feedback on how I did on this video. Thank you for your time and hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.